Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my USHA 40-inch ceiling fan. So last time you remember an Orient PSP ceiling fan that was burned out yesterday while I was sleeping. But anyway, this fan works. This wall controls for the fan. So we're gonna start in speed 1. This is soft. This looks very soft actually. Alright, so basically it's a USHA, if I can look at the canopy. USHA. Alright, so we're gonna start on low speed. Let's turn it on. Alright, decent amount of air. I don't know what's making that clicking noise. You hear a soft spark. Lamp holder? Yeah, I think so. Alright, so there's a problem with this fan. It wobbles excessively when it's on speed F or speed 5. So, speed 2. Now it's starting to go quite fast. The fan won't fall or anything because it is securely tight over there. That's why it won't fall. Don't know what's making that clicking noise. I'm going to stop it. So, speed 3. Now it's starting to go quite fast. And there's also, and it makes a noise when it's on speed 5 too, so yeah, let me repeat that again. There's a problem with this fan. It wobbles excessively and when it's on speed F or speed 5, and it makes that that noise that's coming from the fan itself. So, speed 4. It's kind of like the same speed, but it's starting to go a little bit fast. See, the fan's already slowing down a little bit when it's on speed 4. That way, I don't think it's just the regulator, it's just directly on the fan. So, speed 5. We don't leave this fan while we're sleeping. Say you can hear it roar. You can definitely hear it roar. Alright, so listen to the low sound as the fan. Listen to that noise like that's in the fan. Alright, wait for the fan to stop. Here, I'll just stop it my way. Look at this AC. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna turn the fan on high speed. Listen to this. Right, and you can start to listen to the helicopter sound. And that's this powerful. That's actually powerful to this fan. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my USHA 40-inch ceiling fan. Wow. Thank you for watching, and please comment.